I have no idea what's in this. Something I bought, but there's quite a few things, so we're just going to connect to it and see what happens. Okay. Oh, I think I know what this is. I think this is the watch kit. It's a cheap thing, not super cheap, but cheap. Okay, so it's technically a watch repair kit, so it's a bit more on the more expensive side because there were a few niceties to have that I decided was worth it, so that's what I did. So give you a bunch of replacement springs. Yep, okay, whatever. Something seems to have fallen out. There's one spot missing there. Right, let's go over it. Okay, so replacement springs. These are, I think these are nuts for the tension tool, so we'll look at that a bit later. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's just have a look at all this. It's a mallet. Okay. Just a pair of tweezers. Not very great tweezers, but what the hell. This is so this is to remove the springs. If it will focus, right? So spring removal tool, and this is the tip to poke. Okay, this is typically used to pry off the back of a watch. It's a somewhat knife. Yep. This is also a pry tool, if not mistaken. Yep, so this is also a pry tool used to pry off the back of a watch. Okay, then we are left with these few random things in here. So also another pin tool, and another one probably used in the vise or something. Honestly, I'm not very sure how these exactly are used because I don't really need them. Yeah, let's get over these first. So this is a flathead screwdriver. Looks like a no, not sure what size. This is another flathead, so yeah. And another flathead. Yeah. Okay, then we have one of the watch opener pry tools, which we will try out in a bit, I guess. Okay, so this allows you to adjust the distance, and with the, I think it's this, yes, this. Oh, that's the missing one. There's one missing. It seems to be another. I am not very sure what this is for. Okay, and this is just to hold the watch down. Okay, so yeah, then there's just this to take off the springs. Okay, so this is for this, which typically use screw in there to get the correct torsion. Okay, I am going to try to use that to open this. Okay, so this is currently dead watch. I essentially bought this for that singular purpose. Which is a bit of waste, I know, but it is what it is. Does that go that way or does that go that way? Honestly, I'm not sure, but I would do it. It seems a bit more correct. Okay, so honestly, don't judge me. I do not do this for a living. This is literally for this singular purpose, so if I am using any of this wrong, just let me know. But I am trying this now, so I guess letting me know won't make much of a difference. And I am pretty much rambling to myself at this point, but if you're still watching, then I guess you're along for the ride. It seems to fit. Right? Yeah, I guess I can go with this squarish one. Now it's just a matter of finding the correct ones, which I guess is a downside for this thing. Because really, if they separated it, that would be so much better. But yeah, I'm left picking through these, trying to figure out if they're the same size, which I am really not sure about. And it would really help if, they were separated somehow or other. Okay, I think I got them. I am going to assume that screwing them in will get the notches to line up correctly, which may be an over expectation on my side, but for now, as someone who does not really know what he's doing, I am going to try my luck. Oh shit. I'm not sure whether anyone ever end up seeing this anyway, so be it. Okay. No, it seems I got one wrong. This is a triangle, and the other two are squares, which is difficult. So circle, that's a circle. That's still a circle. That's a triangle. That's a square, I guess. Okay. I got the 3-prong one because I thought, the 3-prong one would give you better conversion of tension, but I guess it also makes it more fiddly. The 2-prong one would make it easier in certain aspects, because you only really have to align 2 things, whereas 3-prong one you have to get 3 things right, which does make it a bit more difficult. And this screw here does not seem to line up correctly. It feels like the end of the thread is not done well, so that clashes and makes it really difficult to get it in all the way. You can notice there is that bump. I may just grab a pair of pliers, which I think I will. Give me a second. Okay. Just use that to tighten that down. I'll probably have to use it to get it off again anyways, but so be it. Yeah, okay. Now it's a matter of figuring out how do I align this. Those two go there, that seems to be right. If I were to do a 3-prong, I would need this to be way further apart. Okay, those two seem about right, and yeah, I guess that's about right as well. This is probably a bit more fiddly than I expected it to be. Okay, and if I twist it, and no, that didn't work. Hey, yeah, that seems to work. Okay, so I'm gonna assume I got it off enough that I can use my fingers. Yep. And there we go. So, yay, my lack of any knowledge seemed to make it true. Okay, so that's that. I got into the watch. I see the battery. I see the retention. So that's all there is to it. The rest of it, I'm not gonna try it. So yeah. Oh, okay. Maybe I can use this. I do have another watch. This one's much easier. So you notice the notch. You just stick this. Where's the notch? Yeah, the notch is here. And then when you take off the strap, you just get in there and pry it up, and there we go. So much easier and so much simpler as well. I'm not sure if I got that on camera, but yeah. Essentially, these type of watches are way easy to open. Yep. Okay. So that's that. Thanks for watching.